Hey guys, welcome back to another Kid in the Sugar vid. I have a bunch of different buttons.
These nuts.
Wait,
Got it. Got it.
so funny. And then I have the boss button.
Come on now, that ain't even bullshit. That's horse shit. That's bullshit. Bullshit level DEFCON 5.
And then I have, you guys can't see this.
And his name is John Cena. And his name is John Cena.
When somebody famous walks in the room.
And his name is John Cena.
Okay, I have these two. This is what the video's about. Shut up. Triple.
Smoke weed every day.
No. We're on our phones.
I don't have it. I'm not hiding anything.
Smoke weed every day.
Look at we don't. Haley, don't you dare mess up my bed.
And how come you?
Shots fired! Shots fired!
How come you guys messed up my bed?
Cause he was sleeping in it.
Jamie told me to sleep in it, so I had to.
Yeah.
So I didn't mess it up. I slept in it.
This makes a good combo.
Smoke weed every day. Oh, baby, it's triple! Explosions! You're an inspiration for birth control.
Wait.
You're an inspiration for birth control. Wow!
Wait.
Let's say. Smoke weed every day.
You have that stupid game. I love it. Here, Betty, make this feel better.
Damn, son, you just hit with the wow effect.
What the?
Damn, son. Smoke weed every day. Damn, son. Oh!
We don't know.
No one has ever done that. No one has ever done that.
You know what? Get out of here.
No one has.
Watch, I'm about to know.
You're an inspiration. Wow.
Oh shoot! I forgot I was recording. And then I have this.
Dude.
Cover your ears if you don't. Cover your ears. Get wrecked. I like. Why don't you shut up? This guy really doesn't like me. Hello, boy. I hate you. Wait, this car speakers? Whatever. Yep. All aboard, ladies! Ah, shoot. Oh, this one's gonna burn my ears. I'm covering my ears. I really want attention. Hey guys, this is what you do when you want attention. Yeah, this one sucks. Holy crap, that was loud. That one not too bad. And then those are all of them. I like this one best. Okay, so I'm going to end this video. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.